Katharina and Julie. How are you?
Hi.
Fine, hi.
Jeg trodde vi skulle vinke, Julie.
What course do you teach?
We teach MCom, which is a science communication course for both bachelor and master students at the Faculty of Mathematics and Natural Sciences.
What are the learning objectives in your course?
The main goal for this course is that the students learn to communicate science and that they use this knowledge to contribute to society and of course also save the world.
How do you assess your students throughout the semester?
The students have to hand in one popular science article and one opinion piece. Then at the end of the semester, they will have an oral project where they can choose between making a movie or a podcast or having an oral presentation.
And throughout the semester, the students hand in several drafts for these big projects like the popular science and opinion piece. They discuss these drafts with the fellow students in seminars. And in this way, we as teachers can follow each student's development as a writer and as a science communicator.
Which activities in lectures and seminars do you use?
We use exercises with post-it notes, and that helps the student to be creative in the beginning of their writing process. And also we use post-it notes to structure their text.
Then we also have a lot of reading exercises. So the students will be given a text and then they read this text individually before we put them in different breakout rooms where they discuss what they have read and how that relates to what they have learned in the course.
And also we have these seminars where we use the peer feedback method, and that's where the students talk about each other's text and give feedback to each other.
How do you use digital tools to support your teaching?
We use the breakout room function in Zoom frequently, where the students then can participate in discussions and work on group assignments.
Yeah, and our weekly teaching is actually 3-hour sessions. And during this time, we kind of switch between breakout room sessions and plenary discussion and also this short lectures.
And then we have also used some other digital tools like myro.com, which is a web page where the students can work interactively, collaborating on projects, and you can make digital post-it notes.
How do conversations with other teachers help you develop your teaching?
We frequently discuss our plans and test assignments on each other and brainstorm to have new ideas.
And we also discuss with other teachers, both to find inspiration and also to get more critical feedback.